Today I decided to clean out my closet and my drawers Marie Kondo way. So, as you can see, this is what I have. It's a little falling apart. This is sagging. And then, if you can see, it's coming out of the wall right there. I really need to clean and organize, so that's what I'm gonna do. So, first thing she says is to take everything and pile it on your bed. So, that's where I'm gonna start. First section. So what you're supposed to do is hold something up to you and decide if it sparks you joy or not. And if it doesn't, then you have to thank it for its time and donate it to something else. And if you do, it does spark you joy, then you can keep it in your closet. Thank you. No, I don't like this one. A lot of my clothes are from like TJ Maxx, and so they're just stuff that I think I want in the moment, and then later on I don't really like them as much. But they're cheap, so I buy them. Yeah, these two I want to keep. I like these. Come on. Thank you. Aww, Elsa. I'm gonna keep it. Now I can hang stuff back up. The Marie Kondo method is that you want everything going in one direction from like long to short, but I can't do that because I have really long winter jackets that I need to like stuff in the side of my closet. So I'm gonna try to do that with all like my dresses and pants over here and the short stuff going up besides my long winter jackets. So we'll see how it goes. Last one. It's a lot better. It's still sagging, but it's a lot better. Don't look at my shoes. We're gonna do that another day. I need a better shoe organizing system. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. And if you think I should do the rest of my closet and all of my drawers some other time, please leave me a comment and let me know. Hit that subscribe button and click that notification bell so you'll know when I post. And that's it. Bye, love you guys.